So now I'm going to get my band in and cut it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll show you what I'm going to use this for. I'm putting it to the wall so I can basically, that's got to be straight, fixing it with one screw all the way down for the capping of the sockets. And there we have it, clipped down the wall. The sockets are straight. The trunking's a bit bent. Look, there we go. Exactly how we're going to use that. So now we've got a few more to do. Right, I've got to get a whole run along here, and then I'm going to break off to the areas where the electrics is going. So what my plan is, I'm getting this band in so I can get it underneath there, like so, but then also put a screw in there just to hold it up, and then I'm going to feed a bit of 20mm conduit onto it so it comes down, and that is my plan to run the cables over there. Just like that, with a bit of banding, so I can run all the cables. There's going to be plenty of room along there for my lights and the sockets, so I'm going to go all the way along. I think this has worked well. It keeps it nice and tight out the ceiling. I will put some cable ties in once all the cables are in, but yeah, it's got a nice decent run, and I've just got them hanging down to where I've got to go to the sockets now.